The Austin Police Department says an employee has tested positive for COVID-19. Co-workers who were exposed are self-quarantining. The department says that it will let us know how many are doing so and who might have been in contact with the employee who tested positive. Chief Brian Manley tells our police reporter Jacqueline Powell that as officers are still responding to some calls, it's expected they may be exposed to people with the virus. Jacqueline highlights extra measures the department's put in place to keep officers and people they come into contact with safe.
We're taking many steps at the police department to minimize contact, really to only that's necessary to maintain overall public safety.
In some cases, that means detectives are working from home when they can and splitting their shifts to 3 12-hour days a week when they have to come in so that fewer people are in a unit at once. While investigators are working with victims online and over the phone as much as possible, they are still responding in full force to critical calls like this deadly shootout in North Austin Sunday morning. And for patrol officers working the streets,
we're going to decontaminate police cars if we believe that the individual that we've transported in that car either has COVID-19 or was exhibiting symptoms.
All APD corporals just began training to use the same fogging machine that EMS uses in ambulances. It can clean a patrol car in just 15 minutes using an industrial-grade germicide.
And right there on the side of the road, the parking lot, wherever we're at, they'll be able to decontaminate that vehicle.
Manley says officers also are not doubling up in patrol cars unless someone's training a police cadet. But in some cases, the department can't make adjustments. Its dispatchers and call takers have to use technology that's on site.
That is not work that can be done in a telework style from home.
But to protect all of the department's essential workers, Manley says a system's in place that lets employees cover for each other should someone have symptoms and need to isolate for a while. Jacqueline Powell, KXAN News.
And we are told that any police employees who have symptoms or suspect they've been exposed have access to a special special testing site for first responders. They are self-quarantining as they await results. The president of the Austin Police Union told KXAN that a number of officers who recently traveled to places like New York, New Jersey, and New Orleans are in quarantine right now as well.